trade idea for the week. Palo Alto Networks, we got this at 338 on Friday. I posted this on social media as well after we bought it, and absolutely ripped from 338. If you all remember, where's that this card? You know what? This is the trend line here. We are retesting that trend line 338 and the trend line as our supports. We'll probably play some calls for next week, and that's exactly where we bought it. And it has absolutely went up all the way to close at almost the day high, right? Like 343. Once 346 is broken this week, I think we'll see 354, 363. Very big move is possible here on Palo Alto Networks once the cloud stocks also start moving. So keep an eye out for that. 346 is your level, first level, probably where I will probably sell out all our 350 calls, and then I will be buying some 370 calls for next week or the week after. So keep an eye out for that on Palo Alto Networks. Looking absolutely wonderful on the chart. This is a nice peekaboo setup. Very nice falling wedge breakout here, and any kind of rip above 346 is going to absolute ravage here on Palo Alto Networks.